Hello everybody, it's me, Owen, and today we are going to be making the STARFIGHTER designed by John Collins. And we will be needing a square sheet of paper, so make sure to smash that like button and hit that subscribe button and click the bell. So let's get in. So the first step is you want to bring the corner to the other side. And if you don't know what I mean, it's just wait. Well, it's not a square sheet of paper, just maybe a little bit longer than a square sheet of paper, just like this. So it was like this, and then we'd fold it over. Do the same on the other side. And then now you do the other side, unfold and flip it over, and then fold on the, so it was just like this on the back, and then you're gonna press right in the middle and then fold it down. So right in the middle of the X, and then you're gonna fold it down. Crease, then flip it back over, press in the center, and then remember that it's a water bomb fold. Then we're gonna have these two layers, sides open. We're gonna fold it and then press down. Okay, so now you're gonna have this. So now fold, so you're gonna have these two flap layers. I'll show you. Fold one up, like about right there. And then fold the other to the point. So here, let me come a little close. So it was like this. It was like this, and then all I did is I folded this one to the point over here. Since we got that, we're gonna flip it over. And I know there's a lot of flip overs in this point, but hey, that's how you make it. Flip it over, fold it down to about the same size as the side over here. Then you're gonna see that you have this opening. Oh, I forgot a step. What you wanna do is you wanna take both of these points, open one, put one inside of it, and then you wanna, it's basically like a squat fold. So I just put that layer inside this layer. Okay. So now we are to the part where we're making this, the inside. So what you want to do is you want to open that. See, you're going to have this right here. And then all you want to do is you just want to kind of open it. Just start opening it and then fold it in half. So it was like this, but all I did is I put my fingers in here and then I squished right there. Okay, now I'm gonna fold the wings. Wait, no. Now Now, we are going to fold the wings. Then you're going to have this with that weird circle. Well, what we want to do is we want to kind of push it down, but leave a little bit out. And then we're gonna squish inside. See, it's in there. And then we're gonna unfold. And it's gonna make that, and then it's gonna make it like this. Now what we wanna do is we wanna fold this part all the way to the wing crease. And this plane is a pretty good glider. Just saying. And then fold the same side that you just creased to that crease that you just made. See, now you have a double crease, and you want to make them as strong as you possibly could. And if you're using a tool to crease, then it's okay, because it's not going to do anything about the plane, like making it fly worse. That's not going to do anything. It's good because you want your plane to be stiff for a long time. And then do the same on the other. What we just did on the other side made those two creases. Okay, since we got those, now we want to fold this part to there. So what we're gonna do is we're basically just gonna fold as far as we could. And then you got the plane. And here is a throwing tip. Do not throw it like hard. Do not throw it slow. Throw it medium. Okay, so I hope you like this plane. And I have nothing else to say. So I'll see you guys all next time. Goodbye.